What is up, guys? We're back with another video, and today I'm Felipe, you guys live with Justice, and yeah, subscribe, like if you're new. But this is the second video of the series of Snowstorm Day 1, Episode 1, Snowstorm Day Episode 1. Go check that out, guys. I just posted that today. This is the second video of it. So this is the video that I'm gonna show you guys that it's actually going to be snowing. It's actually gonna be a blizzard. Let me show you. Okay, so okay, here we go. Okay. So here we go. Right here, it's 3 hours of flipping deadness. So this is snow right here. This is snow. Right now it's flipping snow right now. Like, that's crazy. So this is right here, guys. Like, you see where it says 90%? Right there. Right there. That's flipping snow for 3 hours. Guys, a whole blizzard for 3 hours. Tomorrow it's nothing. Right now it's 26 outside. See right there. Yeah. So it's gonna be crazy, and yeah, it is what. Let me just get you footage of how it looks outside. So yeah, but it's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be really, really cold outside today. So go. Let me show you. It's snowing. Yo, let me show you in front. Come on. Guys, let me show you in front how it looks. Okay, right here. Yo, it's going hard. Yo. Yo, look at that house over there. Yo, it's starting to get crazy, but yeah. That was enough, guys. That's crazy. Someone's in the kitchen. I gotta close the door. So yeah, guys. We're up next the zone that we're gonna be in, which is up next, like up next the zone we're in. So on the 13th it's gonna be 1 in the day. So guys, it's gonna be 1 in the day. So just watch right here. And the 13th, that's gonna be 1 in the day. That's when the blizzard starts. So stay safe, guys. And yeah, but that's crazy. Subscribe, like if you're new. I'm Felipe. You guys are the Justice, and I'll see you guys next time. Stay safe.